Imagine spending thousands on riding gear, the perfect bike, and all the accessories. But your helmet? It's actually useless when you need it the most.
Wait a minute! Who are you?
आप लोग सोच रहे होगे मैंने घर के अंदर हेलमेट क्यों पहना हुआ है? क्योंकि मेरा पूरा वायरलेस माइक सेटअप is yeah. So, coming back to the topic, most riders think that helmet is just a helmet, right? Wrong. The type of helmet that you choose could literally decide if you walk away from a crash or not at all. So today, I'm breaking down the 5 main helmet types, their pros, their cons, and which one's perfect for you. Let's get right into it. First up, the half-face helmet. Super popular with scooter riders and city commuters. हाँ वही Activa, Scooty Pep and a few other bikes. Let's not get there. Pros, it's lightweight, great ventilation, and doesn't mess up your hair so much. Cons, your entire chin and face are exposed in a crash. Your jaw takes the hit. Ooh, that must hurt. This is actually best for slow city riders under around 50-60 km per hour. But honestly, I'd never recommend this for the highway riding. Forget highway riding. I wouldn't even recommend this for city riding. Given the kind of scenarios that we are seeing on the Indian roads every day that keep coming in the news, this is my least favorite. Next up, we have the open face helmet. Classic retro look. Think Royal Enfields or Vespas. Covers your ears, back of the head, which is for sure better than a half face helmet, but the face still exposed. It's basically a half measure, best for low speed city rides, short cafe hops, or if you're into a vintage vibe. But honestly, would you wear a helmet for a vibe or a look? Tell me in the comments. Third, the hero, the full face helmets. Probably the naked bikes of helmets, which means all-rounders for most riders. Maximum protection for the skull, face and chin. Good aerodynamics at speed, less wind noise. The only con, it can get hot in slow traffic or if you live in a warm city. Forget that. I am sitting in a room with my fan and my AC running. So you can only wonder, who is this helmet best for? Daily city rides, highway, sports bike, basically everything. As I said, all-rounder, right? Next up, the modular helmet, also called flip-up. Tourers love this one. Flip the chin bar up when you want to talk or grab a chai. Super convenient, but the hinge is the weak spot in a high-speed impact. Also slightly heavier, best for touring riders who want comfort plus versatility. Last up, the adventure or the off-road helmet. Not my personal favorite for city riding, but my favorite if I'm going to a dirt track, trying to ride ADVs on holidays. This is the best. It has a great airflow, peak for sun glare, and space for the goggles, which means cleaning this is easy, right? I wouldn't prefer it on the highway because of the noise. The peak can catch wind and pulls your neck back at high speeds. Best for trail riding, off-road adventures and ADV touring with mixed terrains. I hope information overload nahi hua abhi tak, because next we are going to talk about which one is the right one for you. If you're mostly into city commuting but you want real protection, go for full face for sure. If you're into touring with occasional face-to-face talks at stops, modular is your buddy. Dirt trails Off-road ADV helmet is your best friend. Retro slow rides, open face works, wouldn't suggest, but think twice again about your chin. Yeah, and please, if you're riding about 40-50 kilometers per hour, like I said, please avoid half face. You can thank me later. One thing most riders ignore: always check for legit certifications: ISI, DOT, ECE, and SNEL. These marks mean the helmet's been tested for real world impacts. Also, never buy second-hand helmets. You never know if they've been dropped or cracked inside. If you ever crash your helmet, replace it, even if it looks fine from the outside. The foam liner might be compromised. Your helmet is literally your last line of defense on the road. So choose smart, invest once, and ride safe, so you can come back and ride another day. Tell me in the comments, what helmet do you ride with and why? Do you swear by full face, or are you an adventure rider? If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your riding buddies, and hit that subscribe button for more real world riding tips every week. See you guys on the next ride instead of being indoors.
That's okay.
Bye bye.
Don't heed solemn ring. Know when it calling me. Darkness is novelty, but still.